With me in the studio this afternoon from Kanabo Research, I'm joined by Avihu Tamir. Avihu, good to see you. Welcome along.
Yeah, nice being here.
Give us some of the background, if you would, to Kanabo. You're an R&D company based in Israel.
Yeah, started as an R&D company. Today, moving forward to commercialization of our products already and sales. But the Korf Kanabo Research from the beginning was research and development of cannabis-based products, and that was the beginning of Kanabo Research. How do we take cannabis, creating formulas that are reproducible, formulas that bring you precise effect every time that you're using it, like any consumer product or medicine, and in the same time still consuming it through a delivery method that can give you a product in inhalation.
So there's few others out there that are actually working on a similar delivery method. Is that right?
So vaporization is, first of all, not new and definitely not invented by us. Vaporization in general is one of the fastest growing segments in the cannabis industry. Perhaps right now the fastest growing segment. Mainly you see it in recreational markets in the United States today, North America in general. A lot of the technology is based on old technologies of electronic cigarettes. We took it to a different path. We took this technology, we took this innovative area of vaporization. We know that the market of vaporization of cannabis is huge, but took the medical route. Kanabo is going to be sold in pharmacies or drugstores. So we're not talking about vape shops or tobacco shops.
What's your view on the UK attitude towards medicinal cannabis?
It's changing, first of all. I came here for the first time, it was around, I think, October last year. I did the first round with bankers, and some of them were very surprised to even see a cannabis company trying to be listed in the London Stock Exchange. I still remember one of the banks, I won't say names, that was asking me, are you sure there's a demand for this product? And I was confused. I'm sorry, you're talking about cannabis. So that was really a market with not enough education and at some level a bit of fear and worry. Today, we're talking about 8 months after, 180% degrees opposite. So you see it's investing in cannabis is exciting. Being involved in the industry becoming a positive thing instead of a negative thing. We're meeting institutional investors that just a few months ago would not even think about that, but now trying to actively be investing in this industry.
And then would you become the first main market listed company with a focus on cannabis here in the UK?
So right now there is, I think, 2 or 3 more companies that are in the same path. I'm on the AIM, perhaps others on the London Stock Exchange as well. In the progress of, we're definitely going to be in the first cohort. Hopefully be the first, but that really depends on how the others will do with this path. Most of the companies that are coming to be listed now are cultivation or licensed companies. So we're very different in that aspect. You see that usually the first wave in the industry are a lot of land grabbing, a lot of cultivation licenses that start with growing the plants, because at the end of the day, that's the base, that's the raw material. We're coming a bit from the other side. So we're starting with product development and research. Then we're moving to sales, starting to generate revenue and buying products, raw material from strategic partners. And only later we'll go into manufacture in the future our own products.
How far off sales realistically do you think you are?
We're going to start generating revenue in the next few months.
Next few months?
Yeah.
And back to the sales then. Have you already started having conversations, I imagine, with pharmacies and drugstores?
Yeah, so we even published head of terms MOU with a German distributor, so that's out there. We're in talks with 2 other distributors in UK, another strategic one in the Netherlands for the future. So from the deal flow that we see, from the inquiries that we see, it's the more challenging part is supply side, not the demand side.
Mm-hmm. Well, look, Avihu, you've got some exciting few months ahead of you. Really good to see you today. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.